Recording with Audacity. First, you need to get the soundtrack that you're going to record over. You can get to that off of the spreadsheet by clicking and opening it. And the way mine works, I can right-click on it, I can save as, and I can put it somewhere in my music folder. The other thing that I can do, yes, I want to replace it. The other thing that I can do recording over a soundtrack with Audacity. First, you want to go and find the soundtrack that you are trying to record over. Click on it. Mine will play here. One way that you can save it to your computer is to right-click. You should be able to save as, and then put it in your music folder so you know where it is. The other way you can do this is to go to your email, open up the email I sent you that says Grush's audio folder. Click the link to Grush's audio folder. You will get a link to Trimester 1, our classes, soundtracks for note flight scores. You click on that, you find what you need, right-click, and you download it. Those are the two ways that you can get the soundtracks and download them. Once you have the soundtrack downloaded, you open Audacity. We're going to go to File, Open. We have to figure out where we saved it. I'm just going to type the file in here and find it. There it is. Open. It's going to take up most of your screen. I'm going to drag it up here, not quite far enough to cover the volume buttons. Here's the volume buttons right over here. Leave those open. Whoops, took it back down again. So we'll put it right there. Let's see if it plays. All right, it does play, but I had headphones on, so you couldn't hear it. Let's see if this will work this way. Now you should be able to hear it because I took the headphones out. I'm putting the headphones back in again. And what I'm going to do is record over it. So you should hear the sound on the headphones, but the computer should only hear the recording of you doing it. So here we go. Testing, 1, 2, test 1, 2, 3, 4, test 1, 2, testing 1, 2, 3, 4. Ba 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 ba. All right, let's take the headphones out. We'll solo my track and see if it worked. Testing, 1, 2, test 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks like it worked. 1, 2, testing 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's the melody. Ba 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 ba. All right, let's put that on top of the soundtrack. They're about the same amount of blue, so you probably don't need to edit it, but if you need to edit it, highlight what you need, go to the Effect menu. I use Normalize. It's kind of an automatic, make it softer or louder. If you want to, though, you can go to the Effect menu and go to Amplify, and you can drag to the right to make it louder or to the left to make it softer. Now, when I play them both together, back from the beginning, I should hear them both. Let's make me a little louder. 2, testing 1, 2, 3, 4. Ba 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 ba. So I should hear both of those together. When I've got the right mix, I've recorded it a bunch of times and I got exactly what I want. I go to the File menu. I do not save project. Or if you do, you can save project if you want to, but that's not going to give you an mp3 file. You need to go to Export Audio. Mine's already set up to save as an mp3, but you may have to go select it. And the name of the file is going to be first initial, last name, underscore, tell me what the song is. Then I'm going to save it. Right now, it's going to save it in my MS6 folder, so I'll go find it in a minute. Save. I can leave this stuff blank. It will think about it for a minute. Now we're going to go find it and see if it happens to be in there. Audio folder, T1, MS6, It might be in there, or it might not have shown up yet. Let me look at another place. It just didn't quite upload yet, so I'm going to look on my computer. Audio, T1, MS6, and it should say eGrush Star Wars, and see if it worked.
Testing, 1, 2, test 1,
and
2,
it
3,
works.
4, test 1,
Once
2,
you've listened
testing,
to it,
1, 2, 3, 4.
you are done with your MP3 and you will be ready to upload.